What's up, guys? You know me. Back with another video. And today, I got it's a treat. Today, I'm gonna be getting the Pokemon Go joystick. This works for any phone, guys. I'm telling you, any phone. Just to show you guys that I'm gonna download anything, I'm gonna delete the app and then re-download it. Just for you guys. Okay, so first you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and type Joystick Go. Once it loads, click the one that says Joystick Go Developers Tools. Click Install. Let it install. Please like and subscribe, guys, and watch my other videos. I really appreciate it. And if you're the first one to subscribe or comment on my videos, you could be entered in a chance to win 1,000 Pokecoins. When it finishes downloading, click Open. Click Allow. Then click OK. Huggies. Click a route on the map. Right, this button. Click Start. And it says Allow mock location must be enabled for joysticks Go developers tools to work correctly. Open developer options. Click Settings. Scroll down until you see mock location app. Click onto that. And click Joystick Go developers tools. Then you want to go back to your Joystick Go. And the top right corner should say Start. Click it. Then you'll see a huge circle in the center. Then you want to go to your Pokemon game. I'm standing in one spot, guys. Look, just watch. I'm not gonna move at all until you guys can see that I'm standing in one spot and it's not no other thing that I'm doing or I'm moving around or anything. Once it loads, the circle right in the center should be allowing you to move around. Now, watch this. Oh. You guys, you see that? It just popped up and then it just disappeared. Whatever, okay.
Hey, it's Jim. I can't take your call because I'm digging for oil in my
there
basement to pay for my family's mobile bill. A little crazy, you say? Show me
two of them.
plan with gigs. That doesn't cost a fortune. We need a switch.
Switch to Boost Best Family Plan and get 4 lines for only $25 per line, each with unlimited gigs. Metro PCS only gives you 2 gigs per line for the same price. Plus, switch today and get up to 4 free phones, all on the fast and reliable Sprint nationwide network. Boost makes it easy to switch. Switching makes it easy to save. Visit boostmobile.com today.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
I'm gonna catch these two Pokemon, guys, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna move forward by clicking north. See? You can speed up by going down to where it's the little yellow circle on the line. It's so hard to click. And you can level it up to 20 or anything. It goes all the way up to 50. While you're running, it says you're going too fast. You will click on the passenger. Click I'm a passenger. So I'm just gonna play games for you guys.
Play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard,
Pop your pretty ass up in this fucking car. Bitch, I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Ball shit, walk in the building, I own shit. Tell about who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, nigga talking about grown shit. Nigga too busy jacking my swag. Get the fuck around, get your own shit. Get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own smoke, get your own bitch. You ain't rapping my gang, get your own clique.
Look, guys.
Make sure you do whatever it is that you gotta do. That's your job. And niggas gon' hate, but that's no prob. So hey, fuck them, don't need nothing from them. Some niggas talking, but the shit they claim it don't mean nothing. They straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffing. OG. And been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me. Most niggas don't see. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm going mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill.
Okay, let's just catch him. Ah, need a little punk. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Watch my other videos, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you be the first one to subscribe and comment on my video, you'll be automatically entered in the chance to win 1,000 Pokecoins. No lie, guys. Peace. Watch my other videos, guys. Thanks.